All right, Thursday early evening, May 9th, 2024, CE, Common Era. I just added outlines of 3 more allegorical sea monsters. Under the Wing 79, getting closer to completion, memorial to Hannah Senesh of blessed memory. Beauty and the Beasts, she was beautiful. A beautiful holy chicken at lower left. My late Budgie Blanche de Boyd over here. I wish I added a fragment from my 1976 woodcut of King David. And it's kind of almost looks like a hand, like that, like with a finger pointing up, or like that. Okay, so I just did the outlines of 3 more allegorical sea monsters. I have to decide how I'm going to do those, color or black and white or what have you. Uno, dos, tres. And then I will frame it. All right. To be continued. Stay tuned. Por favor, s'il vous plaît. Proszę bardzo. Please. Thank you.